Akiaria hindi ya kuruguria mashini ngurani thibitari-ini wa JM Memorial uri thiini wa kaunti ya Nyandarua, Ngabana wa kaunti-ini Francis Kimemia augite thirikari yake mari unyitani na thirikari ya bururi wa Korea ni marikitie gucenjia riri wa thibitari wa JM amuguko ni marikitie kugathika mashini cia makiria ma milioni 100 cia guthaitira mirimu ngurani.
Kuna ICU jeru twakite na itanda 13 na tuona na itanda ICU njega na kuria arwaru mekuo. Tuna HDU high dependency unit na ne twamehingura ne tugurite machine cia kidneys ingituongereire na cio ne twacihingura. Kwina twin theater turathondekire ta county government na ne twamehingura. Ambassador wa South Korea na twete machine cia kurora mwiri thiini nacio ne twacihingura na ne ciambeirie wira already na ne aturehera masks na sanitizers.
Kimemia ni ahete mwihoko wa ikaria kaunti ya Nyandarua ati thibitari wa JM ni ugukorwo ukiambatirio gikiro nginyagia level 6 amukigina kiria thirikari yake yamukirite mwaka muhetuku gia kuhitana murimu wa COVID-19 ni kimwe kiigitwo keheri gia kuhuthika gukinyaniria mamwe ma mabata ma kugaciria thibitari uyu maria ni hamwe na waki wa cancer center ya guthurima mirimu ngurani mwaka ungi mweru wa thibitari wa itanda 500 gatagati ka maundu mangi
cia covid itiareirwo 89 million nyongeire 11 igwakinya milioni 100 itwaka center ya kurora mirimu thiini wa kaunti-ini itu nigetha tutoko twithie na mbere. Nitwaka cancer center thiini wa thibitari na JM cancer center jeru ikosti milioni 50 ndaruta nuthu na president witu arute nuthu nitoko tukimirikia. Nitwaka JM hospital thibitari ya itanda 500 jeru ikahingura ga break ground kana gaja muthingi mweri 18 mweri wa 6 nitonete contractor na tuna besha thiini wa budget na tuna miaka na thirikari itu nene county government nekete already milioni 300 thiini wa budget ile tukwata kuhuthira guthondeka thibitari yo iguko ya kipeke thiini wa county ya Nyandarua tondu nimoi guku tutiri thibitari itu ne yatigirwo Nyahururu unetwera tutoreke JM hospital iko level 6 na iko na referral.
Andu-ini hake minister wa motungata ma ugima mwiri thiini wa kaunti ya Nyandarua no John Njenga Mugai ni ekirite mukonde ati riu namba nene ya arwaru aria maraohaga thabari ndaya na gwetha motungata ngurani riu ni megukorwo magitangikirwo thiini wa thibitari uyu wa JM Memorial.
Our patients who need that type of care to Nakuru and other counties. Today we are seeing most of them here, and we are even receiving patients from other counties for ICU care. Your Excellencies, the theatre unit is a very important unit that we have commissioned today. We used to have just a small theatre at the most of our operations were being referred. So we are grateful.
Mwini wake baruthi wa bururi wa Korea guko bururi-ini Choiyonga ni augite ni gukorwo ari muhari-ini wa mbere gutigirira ati ni ahura njeki haria angihota kaunti ya Nyandarua hari gukorwo ikinyaniria tabarira ngurani cia ukuria o undu mwe na gutigirira ndugu ya kaunti ya Nyandarua na bururi wa Korea ni akorwo ikimato na makiria ma uria iri kwa ihinda riri.
You can see those boxes which contain the face masks and hand sanitizers. So those face masks are from Korea. Like this, what I'm wearing now. It's N95 equivalent. So, but Mr. Governor, they are not for you. They are for the hospital staff who are working at the forefront in the combating against the COVID-19. So make sure that they will have the right protection.
Handu-ini ha WEEGA TV, Njitagwo Kamau wa Nyaguthie.